Hi, I'm dear friends, this is Krita, and I want to show you how you can colorize exactly inside the painted area in Krita. For example, we have such a flower, and I want to colorize it a little bit green into green. But how to do to be inside this flower? In order to do that, Ctrl Z. I will click on this alpha locker on the level with the flower, and now you see you're still inside. Or Ctrl Z, you see the same icon here, we will have the same effect. Let's add new paint layer and make some drawing, and then change the color of our brush. You want to paint inside this green area, so we'll do the same. We'll close the alpha locker, and you see, it's done. Thank you, bye!